Good day everybody, thank you for tuning in. This is the second part of building the stairs railing that you can see behind me. I've made all the parts and now I put it together. I do a dry run first to make sure that it fits, even though I'm quite sure it will. And then you can see the final result, how I attach it to the floor. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I'm testing this here. So this will go about 1 centimeter here, and then later next year or this year, I'm not sure when, I'll put some drywall here and it'll be flush with this. And the same over there. So I put some wood to attach the drywall to. And the joint, I was planning to do a 45-degree cut, but that's kind of a, I don't have the proper tool to cut it precisely, and so what I'm going to do is going to just do a, I don't know what it's called, but just cut it half. So this will be the top part and the other part will go under. So it'll look nice that way. So now is the measuring, and what I have to do is I have to cut. So I'm going to push it all the way to the wood there. So I have to cut the drywall and push it in. And of course somewhere around there will be the same thing. So that's why I said I put a big solid piece, 105 millimeter here, to have something. Alright, so today I'm installing the railing over the stairs, and of course it's a little bit nervous because well, it's supposed to fit, but we'll see. Now I'm just going to do a dry run before I glue it in, and then let's see how it goes. Hopefully I did all the measurements correctly and it fits. All right, let's get. All right, it's done. So soon I'm gonna plug those gaps there, and the screws will be covered by putty. So in this corner here, instead of, because I forgot about this groove here, so what I did, instead of close it, I made it more obvious, and I guess it's just another way of doing it. And I mentioned before, so the vertical bars, they are they were in the closets from over there, and the bottom pieces were like door jambs, and only the top part is new. This is red pine, and I was able to find some without hardly any nuts. This is just little pieces here and there, but still looks quite good. So there it is, it's done.